IDSR refers to different volume phases. Attack, the time it takes for the sound to rise. Hold, decay, no duration. Sustain coupled with decay. Release, the time it takes for the sound to fall. Automation is a parameter that evolves over time, based on the frequencies of a piano dynamics. Kick to bass are the difference between the loudest and quietest parts of the signal. Compressing. LFO is a modulation assigned to a parameter. Source mode, matrix, MIDI. Flux is a center instrument of fairly the pleasant sound. Pitch or pitch bend is an effect that changes the pitch of the sound. Panning is to the left or right of the headphones or speakers. Effects are ambient effects. Rain, up filter, up the filter. Layering, combining several instruments, pianos, electric pianos, etc. to create a different sound. Low pass, a high cut is a filter that cuts frequencies loud. High pass, a low cut. Cut the low frequencies and leave the high frequencies. Word. Chorded a piano, create drums with the drum bass. Fading, a sound that gradually rises. Fade out, a sound that gradually falls. Digital audio workstation, software repair, FL Studio. Each track of a project can be sent to a bus. At least 3 notes played simultaneously. Aftertouch function that allows you to vary the sound. When the DAW performs calculations to process a sound. Leasing. An unlock to digital conversion that creates distortion and therefore leasing. Phantom powered by a cable instead of a plug. Unwanted background noise, white noise. A neutral sound that our ears can hear from 20 Hz to 20K Hz. Memory reduffers, real-time data processing, bypassing an active effect that lets the sound pass through without processing. Cardioid microphone cannot capture sound in 360 degrees, only from the front. Compression reduces the under the danger of a signal, the difference between the loudest and quietest parts. Sound coming from the headphones and passing back into the microphone, polluting the recording. Equalization that allows you to reduce, increase specific frequency levels. Feedback effect, oscillation or high-pitched noise. Hissing effects, imprint. Looper, eaten by Apple, better than MP3. Our chord played in a series of steps. Samson's in the operation structure. Doppler effect, lower when moving closer, higher when moving away. Expander increases the gain of a signal when it exceeds a certain threshold. Slider that adjusts the volume of a particular track, allows certain frequencies to pass through. Fletcher Munson curve, how the ear reacts to sounds, frequency or amplitude. Informal remix of another track, frequency. Pitch measured in hertz that is reproduced by the speakers. The main frequency that determines the pitch of a sound. Gate effect that reduces the volume of a sound below certain thresholds. A sonic phenomenon where everything fits together perfectly when the mix is well done. When 2 or more notes are played together, generally very pleasant. Then like a compressor, it has a very high compression ratio. An oscillator that adds vibrato, tremolo, a source of modulation. Masking through which all other channels of a track pass. A key change. Build up is the moment preceding the drop. The bass line is the lowest part, or sequence of notes in a piece of music. The drop is a point in a song where there is a sudden change in rhythm or in the bass line. A clap is a short percussive rhythm used as a substitute for a complement to the snare drum. Reverb allows you to spatialize the sound, placing different sounds in different areas of a piece. Auto-tune allows you to correct notes that are not sung in tune. Delay allows you to repeat a sound several times, like an echo. Armor track, prepare it to record audio or MIDI data. Mastering allows you to correct hisses, clicks, or errors, ensure consistency and continuity of sound between multiple tracks, and ensure that the music is coherent.